First, you need to download the precompiled binaries. Once downloaded, make the binary executable. Now, use pacman-static to reinstall Pacman and its dependencies, including libalpm. After reinstalling Pacman, verify that Pacman works correctly by running this command. If this command runs without errors, your system should be back to normal. With Pacman working again, you can proceed to rebuild Paru. To rebuild use this commands.